Wow, you have gorgeous eyes. I don't know if I ever told you that. Have you hit that subscribe button yet? Because in this video, I'm gonna break it down. I'm gonna break it down to you guys. What does it mean to be a power mentee? Why is this important? Why is it important to be a power mentee? Literally everything in life is gonna be 10 times easier for you if you can take someone else's mistakes, learn from them, don't have to go through the things that they went through and implement their advice and actually like make your life better and get to your destination faster. So most of you guys are watching my channel because you're Amazon sellers, you wanna make money online. Maybe you're a salsa dancer and you're inspired by me. Find a better mentor for dancing salsa. But regardless, you're here because you wanna get better. I know that about you. I know that you're here on my channel right now because you want to get better, you wanna make your life better, you wanna have more money in your bank account. So I'm gonna give you some very good advice on how to make that happen. Now, I'm a self-proclaimed power mentee, but I'm gonna use other people as examples for power mentees as well. But let's talk about getting a mentor first, because you can't be a power mentee if you don't have a power mentor. You don't have to meet your mentors. I have, Gary Vee is one of my mentors. If you guys haven't noticed, I take his advice and I run with it. I don't really ask questions. So the first thing is find a mentor, and finding a mentor is someone you trust. If you don't trust this person 100%, you are not gonna take action, and any action you take is not gonna be good enough. It's not gonna be good enough because it's not gonna feel right in your soul. Has to feel right in your soul. So you have to trust the person. Number one, trust. Number two, they have to be way ahead of you, way ahead of you, and they have to be where you want to eventually arrive. Where do you want to arrive? Find someone who's already there, learn from them, have them become your mentor. Just because there's YouTube, just because we have the internet, just because it's easily accessed by everybody, doesn't mean the advice isn't good. You don't need a one-on-one with someone in order for them to be your mentor. 100 years ago, people didn't have that opportunity to have someone on the other side of the screen. Literally, you can listen to Gary Vee give advice to someone just like you. He gives advice to people all the time, just like you, in the same exact position you're in, and you can take that advice and run with it. So just because you don't have the person in front of you, it doesn't mean they can't be your mentor. Now, it will help to have that one-on-one. I'm not discrediting that at all. And I'll get into a few of my mentors who have helped me one-on-one build my book business and also build my social media presence. So thing number two when it comes to finding a mentor, or thing number three, thing number two or three, regardless, they need to be slightly intimidating to you. So when you find a mentor, and this is more for the one-on-one side of things, not only are they at where you want to go, they are also a little bit intimidating to you. When you talk to them, when they give you respect the hell out of them. So whenever they tell you to take action, you take action without asking questions, even if it sounds like stupid advice. So you get advice, you think it's stupid, you run with that stupid advice, and most likely, if they're a good mentor, and they're actually giving you real advice, you will be successful. So when it comes to power mentees, it is so powerful to be able to take someone's words, these words that they're giving you, turn them into action, and you bypass this sea of shit that you would have incurred if you would have tried to get to their destination without their advice on all of their mistakes. So learning from all of somebody's mistakes. You literally don't have to make those mistakes and you arrive at your destination that much faster. So this is powerful shit, guys. And I think this is how people are able to, younger people are able to have success fast. You don't see, you see old people who are successful. You see some people, it takes them years, 50 years to even get, their first $1 million. But when you see these people under 30 years old, millions of dollars, it's because they are power mentees. They found someone, modeled them. They probably have several mentors in several aspects of their life. And they have the skill of not only, everybody has this skill of trial and error. When we feel pain, when something hurts us, we don't do that shit anymore. That's trial and error learning. You go out, you try something in business, doesn't work out, hurt, not gonna do that again. But power mentees have the ability to take their mentor's pain, learn from it without ever going through it themselves, and transmuting that into experience and action. So guys, become a power mentee. For me, I told you I would give you some more examples of mentees who are power mentees. I'm not gonna give any names out there, but some people, when I give them advice on building a book business, whether it's just through YouTube videos, I just put YouTube videos out and people learn without me ever talking to them one-on-one, or people come to me and ask me a question and maybe I'll recommend a book or maybe I'll recommend several sets of actions. And they come back a week later, a month later, like, great, I did all that, now what? And I'm just like, whoa. They're the 1%ers. They got the juice. They got the thing to be successful. Kind of makes me jealous because I've been through so much pain in my business and I literally just handed all that knowledge over to someone and boom, they're 3 steps ahead of where I was 2 years ago. And that's the same thing I'm doing with YouTube, social media. I live with one of my mentors, Ray Can Profit. I'm blessed for that. He helps. That's why I'm making this YouTube video right now. I just got off the phone with him. He was like, why the hell have you been making YouTube videos? Now I'm making a YouTube video. So being able to learn from someone else's mistakes, that is a valuable skill. If you guys enjoyed that content, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell button. I got some really good book content coming soon. So if you guys are interested in that, or if you guys are just interested in me, if you guys just like me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button too. Make me blush a little bit. Peace out, family.
Grind hard, well done, sir, and welcome to the freaking well show. And party central to my well ones, a night of violated hell codes. Dope sells like the charge do, but selling's all about potential. And money speaks, then I'm the main act.